Hi there, my name is Vince, and in this video, I'm gonna be over the top, super excited, because I have a new offering. It's from Lowe's Home Improvement, and the reason I'm so excited about it is because a lot of you have been mentioning this brand of tool accessory for years. I'll be totally honest with you. I've never heard of them before. I've never used them before. For all these years, I've been hearing about them from all of you, and it just so happens that we were doing a tool tour through Lowe's tool store, and we saw a new display from WiHa. So many of you have told me, Vince, you're wasting your time using other driver bits. You gotta check out WiHa, WiHa, WiHa. We have this driver bit set from WiHa. They had two during my walkthrough. They had one that included 2-inch bits, which I'm not a big fan of necessarily, especially if they can't be magnetized. They had this kit right next to it that actually has a magnetic drive and 1-inch bits. This definitely floats my boat a little bit better. You'll see here, this kit includes Phillips, Robertson, Torx, and then they have their 1/4-inch bit holder. There are 1-inch bits. There's 8 pieces here. It comes in a cool little case. These are their Terminator Blue impact bits. It's got an optimized torsion zone. It's product number 70098. Driver bits aren't the most glorious and exclusive type thing that we do here, but they do make us and you a whole bunch of money. Like, this is where the rubber meets the road with your drill, your impact driver. You can take a lower, maybe homeowner grade tool, and if you chuck in a contractor grade driver bit or even drill bits, you're gonna have a more contractor grade experience overall. These are produced by WiHa Tools USA, designed to DIN ISO standards by WiHa Germany, manufactured in Vietnam. This is pretty cool. So this way, your bits are locked away. This way, your bits are open. You can get them out. You don't have to press the button down to lock them away. You do have to press them down to open it up. This is very technologically advanced. Look at this. You ready? This is a magnetic guide. It is not a sleeve. It does have nice WiHa. You'll see here, you grab your magnetic guide. That's how magnetic that is. Do you see that? So you, boom, you put it in and it retrieves your bit. Here's our Phillips number 2. That's pretty slick. Cool little case. I like this. T20. I like to see how the fit is with this. There's literally no waste of space on this case at all. We pop our guide back in when we're done and close it up. Same thing with our bits. You could throw this into a bag or a box. We have a very formidable impact driver. A lot of you seem to love. It's the triple hammer from Hitachi or Hitachi. No, kidding. From Metabo HPT. Let's start out with T20. Here's the great part. If you wanted to switch in and out, boom. Wow. Yo, that's an amazing fit. Like, there's not going to be any cam out there. That felt great. No cam out at all. That's an amazing fit. That's really nice. Maybe I should have listened to all of you about WiHa before. Let's check out these number 2s. No cam, like, it's just 0 cam out. It feels so good. Like, look at that. That's how well it fits. There is no play between the screw and the bit.
It came out again.
It's nuts. Here we go. It's a just a tip challenge. And those are the two style of fasteners and driver bits that are most important to me, because that's what we use mostly. But a lot of you will be happy that there is also Robertson number 1, Robertson number 2 in here. They have Torx T30, T25, as well as Phillips number 1. The only thing that's missing in here is Phillips number 3. But you know what they say? You can't have everything you want all the time. But WiHa here at VCG Construction think that this is a pretty cool kit. $9.98. This is a cool little kit. I would like to see bigger kits in store, but a lot of you say that you're not necessarily interested in a bunch of high count bit kits, driver bit sets. I actually like the variety. Comes in handy. Even though the ones that I use most are T20 and Phillips number 2. The good part is that they're selling tic-tac packs of the bits that you need the most of. They're about 15 bucks for 15 pieces, which means they're about $1 a piece. And if you like getting quality driver bits for about $1 a piece, then smash the like button. It's free for you to do, doesn't cost you a dime, and helps out the channel immensely. And because of that good karma, you get 7 years of good luck. Why wouldn't you do that? Also, while you're down there hitting that like button, make sure you leave a comment. What do you think of WiHa? Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.